Hey, what up? Welcome back to this channel. My name is JJ Kotula, and today's video is not for everybody, but it's for you. If you know you don't have anything you do not have a business, you don't have a place to work, you just don't have anything you do that brings you money. You beg people for money and you're tired of this. You want to be making money on your own. This video will truly help you. So if you are not in this category, please make sure you send this video to the person that needs it. And don't forget, you need to subscribe so that you can learn about any other business that I bring up, and especially this when I tell you and teach you, train you on how to upscale this, because it's very possible for you to upscale this. To scale this business. So what is this business I'm talking about? Before I go deep into this business, I want to tell you that I do this business for people up till now, and I think it's one of the business that I will ever do and I will forever do till I will die. There is a reason I'm saying this, because it gives me free money. See, when I think about this business, I'm not afraid, I'm not scared of any expenses, especially that has to do with chicken change, like small expenses that come up to my line. I'm not scared of them. I can deal with anything, anybody. Like, I can go out with friends, I can decide to buy shirts, I can decide to buy shoes, I can decide to, like, in fact, as a matter of fact, I'm thinking and I'm planning on buying a car from this business. When I buy this car, I'm gonna bring it out to show you. So last year, December, from this business I'm talking to you about, I made over 100 and probably I made over 130,000 naira over this business in just one day. And this business that I did, this is the business, the business I call it middleman business. So in a middleman business, what do? You do not need to buy a product, you do not need to have any service, you do not need to have a special skill. The only skill you need to do is, is communication. Like, build your charisma, be able to talk to people, get free with people, be able to connect with them, talk to them, know what they need, and introduce to them what will solve their problem, what will help them. So what did I do last year that gave me over 130,000 naira? Like, in just, let me say, in a time of probably like a month. So this was how it happened. I know this man, and I got to know him through like a partnership with someone. So let's forget about the story that brought me with this man. So this man got to believe in me because of how I talked to him about the business and how the business could start and bring him money. He could see it, because when I'm telling you something, I bring it to the table, you could foresee it even before it happens. So when I told him about that, so he had to believe in me, and he said, okay, how could we make it happen? So I connected him with this brother who opens a website. So it was a website business. So when he opened this website, and my percentage from this website was, I think, 20%. So when this man paid, and this guy was like, okay, he paid, I was expecting him to send the money to me, but he didn't send it to me. He sent it to the person who did this business, who I'm standing in the middle for. So this is what I'm saying. I have someone who built the website, I have a customer, a client, and I'm just in the middle. I'm the one connecting both of them together. So that's what I mean by middleman business. So when I connect both of them together and they did this business, this guy who did the website got paid, and he said, okay, I got your money. How do you want me to pay you? How do you want me to send it to you? He said he paid today. I wasn't expecting it. When he said so, I was like, how you feel when money comes in? I don't know, maybe you get what I'm saying. How you feel when money comes in. Like, I was like, wow, this is cool, because I wasn't expecting it that very day. Yes, I knew he was gonna pay. And I wasn't expecting that much money. Like 150 something thousand naira. Like, are you kidding me? This is cool. I want to do more. I love money. I want money. Don't let me say I love money, but I love money. I have to say the truth. I love money. Who doesn't love money? Who doesn't like money? Who doesn't love money? I love money. I like money and I love money. So when he sent this money to me, I'm like, wow, this is cool. So how do you do a middleman business? To cut the long story short. So that's it. How do you do a middleman business? So this is what you need to do in a middleman business. You just need to go out there and talk to people that have businesses. How can you bring them customers? You don't need to ask them, because that's what they need. They need customers. They need people to come buy from them. But this is what you want to do. You want to talk to them that, okay, if I bring you a customer to buy from you, how much are you willing to give me? So this is free for them. Imagine you walk to a car dealer. Let me tell you, the first thing you need to do before you do these businesses, sit down and think about the kind of business you would like to do. You would like to belong to, you would like to be associated with, you would like people to know you for. So that's what you should do. The business you really, really believe in, the business you know you can grow in. I'm not talking about your passion this time around. I was to tell you your passion or money, which one should you go for first? That's for another day. But this time around, I'm talking about, see, I heard about someone back then who was doing all sorts of business. When this is making money, he jumps into it, make the money, jumps out, go to another thing that brings him money, jumps out. So he made the money, he invested, and ever since he has never been poor. So it's not compulsory you have just one business you do forever. In fact, sometimes you get tired of doing something, you want to do something else. I met a guy who was telling me that he was a DJ. So was he not paying you enough? So it was paying him enough, but he got tired of it. He wanted to do something else. That's it. So you could be tired, but what I'm telling you right now is that think about something you think you are interested in. You could sell, like you could grow in. It could be something you like. It's not really passion, but something you kind of like, you kind of love. Probably someone introduced it to you. Probably you see someone doing well, and you know that if you were to be in this person's shoe, you can do something. You can drink this and do something better. Please go into that. So for example, let me say you want to start like event planning. Even it could be a business you would like to do in the future. So you want to be an event planner in the future. What you need to do, go talk to people that do event planning. It's not compulsory just one person. Go to 2, 3, 4, 5 people, talk to them. If I bring you a client, how much are you willing to give me? What is my percentage from this? If they say 5%, 10%, 20%, that's fine. No problem. Know more about that business, how they do it, how are they gonna do it? How do they make sure that they plan things? How do they communicate with the event owners? When you know everything about that, the next thing you need to do is who are the people that will have event to do in the next 3 months, in the next 1 year? Those are the people you target. Let me tell you how to know one of the people, like very, very sure, that will have an event to do in the next 6 months, the next 1 year, 2 years, or 1 month. These are people from age 25 to 35. Why did I say that? These people are ready to get married. So imagine you get 5 marriages to give to event planners, let's say 5 event planners, and you get 10% from each of them. Now this is 10, 10, 10. 10 in 5 places, 10%. Let's say each of them charge 100,000 naira. And from 100,000 naira, you get 10,000 naira, right? That's 10 in 5 places, which is 50,000 naira. What private business job could you be doing to make 50,000 naira in a month? I'm not saying it's not possible, but you know the stress you would go through. You know how many times you're gonna go spend with them before you get this done. And talking to one person, connecting with that person very well will give you this money. Now, you could do this for musicians that sing in a party, like a lot of people that you could do this for. So that's what I mean by middleman business. Middleman business is simply being the one connecting the client, the person who needs the business, the customer, with the business owner. This is the business owner, this is the person that needs the business. You connect them together. You are the one in the middle. When they transact the business, you get your cut. That's it. That's what I mean by middleman business. This is very cool. It costs you nothing. The only thing it could cost you is probably transportation fare to go talk to a business owner, or to go talk to the customer or client that need this, or maybe phone for a recharge card. Yes. So if you are ready to do this business, I'm ready to give you 200 naira to buy a recharge card to start your first business. And I'm telling you, you have to make call and give me the feedback, then I'll give you more. I'm ready to help. So that's what I need you to go do right now. Be a middleman, connecting someone, a business owner, with a client, a customer who needs the business. Connect both of them together, get your cards, and that's all. I'm doing this, I still do it today, and I will continue to do it because it gives me free money and it has bought me some specific things. And I'm telling you, I'm planning to use this to buy a car within the next 6 months. That's it. And I'm telling you, I'm gonna achieve this goal, except I have a car use right now. So if I decide that, okay, this car is serving me, why don't I invest this money in something else? That's the only thing that could stop me from using this money to buy a new car. If not, I will be telling you in the next 6 months, I'm gonna buy another car from this middleman business, from this side hustle. It's a side hustle, it's a main hustle. I was doing this majorly before I got a job. Like I decided to get a job because I want to, and because I want to, like I love corporate life. That's it. So I would like you to go into this and be a middleman because it will really, really help you. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'm still coming out with a lot of beautiful and wonderful videos that will help you to get your business from one stage to the next stage you want it to be. Once again, my name is Deji Kotula. Peace.